Hydrosilex. Real nice.
Hello, YouTube.
Today
we are outside.
We are outside. We're not on our
Couch.
Our couch for once in a
Long time.
Yeah. Anyway, we got Hydrosilex. They sent us this to wax our cars. So
We just got them washed.
got them washed. We're out here in the Hollywood area.
It's really hot.
Super hot, and we are gonna wax both of our cars, Crystal.
Okay, here we go.
All right, so we have Crystal's car, and we have my car. We're gonna wax both of them.
We are.
And I've tried a couple waxes before, but apparently this wax does it all.
Apparently it's the shiz.
Apparently it's the shiz, so let's get it going.
Let's get waxing, bro.
So spray it on, wax it off.
Wax it on. Wax on, wax off. Dun dun. Look at that beautiful, shiny.
And it makes it
gold.
slippery.
Slip and slide.
Slip and slide.
Woo! Doesn't look like it leaves any residue or anything, which is kind of nice. And I park my car on the street, so I tend to get a lot of sprinkler stains,
It's crazy.
hard water spots.
So I just washed my car, and look how much this wax is pulling off the dirt.
Sick.
That's pretty cool.
So this will be a nice little shield for my car. And then the Hollywood sign is just over there. Hey. Look, and behind us is downtown LA.
When people send us products, we want to get it out ASAP. That's why we are out here boiling in the sun. And the reason why I'm actually spraying this and then wiping it super quick is because you don't want this to sit on your car in the hot. You just want to get it on, get it off.
You don't
Wax
get it
on, wax off. All right, front end is done.
Woo! Get her booty.
Oh yeah, she's got the booty.
Mm-hmm. Gorgeous.
No.
Ken got bird poo on his back somehow in the process.
When you're out here working hard, waxing cars, Bird tried to poo on my car as I was waxing, and I just dove in. I was like, no! And
Took it
Took
like
it?
a champ.
took it like a champ, and I don't even care. I'm not even embarrassed. I'm probably just gonna rock this shirt all day. When we get home, I'm not gonna take it off. I'm just gonna rock it.
No, you're taking it off. Ah! Nothing like the wind blowing wax in your mouth. Oh no, security's here. Hopefully we don't get in trouble. Quicker, Ken, quick! We are on top of a company's building, rooftop. Oh, they're leaving. Bye!
Scared him away.
Because your car is so shiny from
That's
this
true.
awesome wax. Oh no, I've spotted a bird too.
My car?
Yeah.
Where?
Nope, not anymore.
What the heck?
Alright, looks like car numero uno is done.
Yep.
Ken's car is done. My turn, my turn, my turn. Okay, I'm gonna be judgmental for a second. Look at these park jobs. What the heck? That guy's in 2 spots. That guy's in 2 spots.
All right, so on the commercial of this, you can actually put it on the hood of your car and it slides right off because that's how slick and shiny it makes your car. Woo! Nice! Hydrosilex. Real nice. All right, it's Crystal's turn. Look how shiny. Now she's doing hers. And the cool thing about Crystal is I asked if she wanted me to do hers. She said, no, let me have a shot at that. Right, Crystal?
Yeah, it's because I want my own camera time.
She
I don't
wants
want to
her,
get stuck behind the camera.
she wants her own camera time. All right, babe, make sure you get all of it because it can't really sit on your paint.
Well,
Try and not get it on like your plastics.
why didn't you tell me that before I sprayed it?
If you want, I can do it for you.
No, get out of here. Look at this bug.
He likes the wax.
Yeah.
Get that booty. Get that booty.
Not on the booty yet. On her hips.
Can I what?
You do my roof, I can't reach.
Yes, I can do your roof.
Yay! Yay, the parts I can't get. Thanks, Ken.
Welcome.
It's the test thingy, let's try it. Woo! Wax it clean.
Waxy clean. Hydrosilex. It's pretty legit. It's very easy. I mean, there's robbers right there. LA. But we're not scared. Video goes on. Video goes on. But it's really easy. You just spray, wipe down, spray, wipe down, and just make sure there's no residue. And we're actually pretty excited to see how long it's gonna last. When it rains or anything, if water just beads right off the car. All right, so that's it. Hydrosilex, thank you for sending us the product. Our cars look beautiful. We are ready for the weekend. It is Friday.
Party! Cinco de Mayo tomorrow.
Oh yeah, Cinco de Mayo tomorrow.
So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Comment below anything else you'd like to see us do. And if you have any products that you want us to review and try out, just hit us up. Until next time, it's hot, we're getting out of the sun. Bye!
I was scared of dentists and the dark.